British thought they were unstoppable. In Tukakala, they met the army of Isindwala in 1879. During the Anglo-Zulu War, 1,700 British soldiers set up camp under the Isindwala Mountains. They underestimated the Zulus and left the camp drastically undefended. Op die 22ste Januarie het 20,000 Zulus perfecte aanval gelood using the infamous Horns of the Buffalo transformation and overthrew the camp. Aan die einde van die dag was die Britse heeltemal in hulle moere in, with over 1,300 soldiers losing their life. It was considered the worst defeat that the British had ever suffered by an indigenous force. The Battle of Isindwala changed the course of the war going forward. En het laat julle dink, war isn't just dates and names. There's stories that will change the shape of a nation forever. My name is Rivus from the Upside Down, and this is our deep dive into the history of South Africa. Let us know what we should do next.